Hey guys, it's me Stace. I'm back again today with another Friday PIP, which is our Pinterest inspired project. Today we're making this really cute t-shirt for Dad. Opens up there and you can see there's a spot for a gift card or a note. Really easy to make. The first thing you will need is a piece of 6x12 double-sided paper. I'm going to bring in my scoring board. Now whatever side you want to be the outside of the shirt, which is the main part here that you see, you want that part down. And we're going to score this at 1.5 inches. Again at 3, and then again at 4.5. Okay. Now take your bone folder. If you're using a thinner paper, you can probably just fold it in half. This is a little bit thicker, so I used my scoring board. So you fold it in half, and you're going to fold it in half again. Like that, and this one as well. I went off of my scoring. There we go. Just make sure everything is nice and smooth. So now we folded it in half, folded the sides in to the middle. At the top, you want to come in here, and I'd probably go maybe 2.5 or so inches down. Bring this out. Give it a nice crease with your bone folder. This part here forms the sleeve. So bring this one down as well. Again, your bone folder. Okay, so we have it looks like that on the one end. We're going to flip it over. On the bottom, we're going to fold up about 1/2 inch or so. I'm going to finger press it. Take my bone folder and give it a good crease. So on this side, we have this side here, and then this part here is folded. Take that folded edge and bring that toward the center. This forms the collar. Give it a good squish. Do the same for this side. I recommend also not using a pattern that goes one direction. Alright, so we have that end. Now all you're going to do is take this part and bring it up and tuck it under the collar. I'm also lining up the middle where my score marks are. Okay. Bring that down flat. Crease that really well with your bone folder again. So now we have what looks like a really long shirt. You want to bring up the bottom, having your shirt folded, and fold this up about 1 inch. Again, finger press it first to get it started. Then take your bone folder and really press on that crease. Now when you open it up, you will see we should have 3 score marks. We're going to fold them the opposite way. So the first one I'm going to fold up. Just kind of finger press it. Next I'm going to fold down. The other one I'll fold up. So basically just made like a little accordion fold. Give all that a squish. Now this will tuck in. Again under your shirt. Under the collar. And it looks like that. So it's going to stand on its own. Now for the gift card that goes here. You can certainly cut a piece of cardstock to go in here if you want to. I'll put the gift card in there. Now to keep it kind of closed, because it will pop open on you, you can kind of come in there under the collar, put a little bit of glue. I'm going to grab my tacky glue because my art glitter glue I left out all night without the pin. Alright, so I'm going to bring this up. And just put a little bit of glue where I can see this is going to go. You can also use a glue dot if you want to, just to help me hold that collar down a little bit so it stays in place better for me. And you can jazz this up any way you want to. You can certainly add a tie. I think today we're going to add some buttons. Alright, so we have that, and that glue is super sticky. That was the Aliens tacky glue I used. Alright, so I have 3 buttons here. I'm going to take a little bit of double-sided tape on the back of each one. Versus me trying to glue them down. But I remember as a kid I used to make them out of dollar bills. Do you guys ever make them? They were kind of fun. I remember that, and I made a ring. Alright, I'm going to give that a squish, hopefully, and take the backing off. And bring that in and kind of put it on my shirt where I want it to go. So really cute. No gluing involved if you don't want the glue. And simple. And great for a last minute dad gift. So you can dress it up by adding a tie, buttons, maybe add a pocket on there. Really, really cute. Okay, so there is our finished shirt. Isn't that fun? And so we have that one, and then we have this one here. So you can see they stand up and they look really cute on the side. But there you have it, guys, our Pinterest inspired project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.